Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Windows notifications on Zotac gaming handheld. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, then open System, here go for Notifications. Then you'll be able to enable or disable Windows notifications. You can also click on the arrow when it's activated and manage different settings like allow notifications to play sounds, show notifications on the lock screen, and show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen as well. Alternatively, when it's also enabled, you can scroll down and look for the apps. Here you'll be able to activate or deactivate notifications for specific apps. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.